Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. I have received my new iPhone 12 Pro. I'm going to open it and I will share with you today how we can hard reset in case any application got corrupted and you need to reset your iPhone 12 Pro. That I will share with you. This is Pacific blue color. I'm going to start the iPhone, and this is the first time we are booting up. It's a brand new phone and I'm going to set up quickly, and once it's set up then I'll show you how to reset your iPhone 12 Pro. This is how the iPhone 12 Pro looks. So now I'm going to share with you how to reset your iPhone 12 Pro, and you can do it two ways. One is through iTunes and one is through your phone. Very important step. If you have your iCloud password and you forgot that, then please don't do it. And the second thing, if you have pictures or photos, please back up before you do the hard reset. So let's get started. So we're going to press setting, press general, and we're going to go all the way down, and it says reset. It's like the second one, erase all content and settings. It will ask the confirmation, erase iPhone. Second time, and it will start erasing your iPhone. So it's all done. Now we are on a hello screen. As I shown to you previously when I took it out of the box, and as a video purposes I'm going to skip through, and that's how it's easy and simple to reset your iPhone 12 Pro. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.